Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Fawad Karimi. Today I'm going to present my thesis proposal entitled Explainable 3D Deep Learning for Early Lang Nodules Detection. Lang nodules detection is one of the deadliest cancers worldwide, but manual analysis is slow and subjective. Deep learning helps, but most of the models are lack black box and lack clinical trust. As you can see, there's 1.5 million people daily manually cause lung cancer problem, and the survival rate of lung cancer is in late stages is 90%. It means from every 100 people that has cancer, just 90% of the people will survive for 5 years. And if we can detect this cancer in the early stages, we will increase this percentage for 56%, which is a big difference. So detecting the early cancer detection is very important for us. And this existing detection system faces three crucial limitations, which is 3D modeling. The traditional models are 2D slicing, but in this study we will focus on 3D modeling to detect the cancer, and the other limitation is black box. As you know that black boxes, we don't know how the model detect the cancer, but in this study we will use some technique of artificial intelligence to show us how the model detect the cancer, and it will be more explainable. And the third problem is false positives. Suppose in our data set we have lots of samples, but where the cancer is not detected, our system says that it has cancer. So our goal in this study is to bypass the limitation by using the convolutional neural network for classification of cancer detection and applying explainable AI virtualization by using some techniques that we will explain later. This is the structure of our model, that how data can go and how it will input and output of our data to detect the cancer. And I will use the 3D ResNet architecture for this model, and it will detect the cancer and analysis using some techniques like GradCam to show us where the model focus on. And in this model, I used the 3D GradCam++ to focus on the place of the image that has the cancer to show us the interpretability of our system. And also I will use the transform attention virtualization, and these will help us to our model be more accurate and more explainable. For our data normalization in my dataset, which is Lidc dataset, I will split it into 70 for training and 50% for validation and 50% for testing my data. And also I will use 5-fold cross-validation to confirm the performance of my model. And as you can see, this is my pre-processing pipeline and how it starts and where it will finish, and how to divide my dataset into 3 parts, which is training, validation, and testing set dataset. One of the most important thing about this research is because it's a hybrid architecture, it means I combine the CNN with transformers to be more accurate and more explainable for the doctors, to be more reliable and trustful for doctors. As you can see in the slide, this is the 3D CNN baseline, which is accuracy is just 88% and also transformer. But in this hybrid system, we will reach to 97.6% accuracy, which is too high compared to traditional models. And also we can reach to 92.3% sensitivity in nodules that is less than 10 millimeters, which means that it shows 7.8% improvement over the baseline of 3D CNN models. And also white matters, accuracies matters, and also interpretability is more important in this study. In practice, how explainable AI navigate clinical challenges cases. For case 1, correct detection of subtle nodules. As you can see that our model will focus on the nodule detection. You can see, and it will tell us where the model look at to help the radiologist for better decision making. And also for the correct rejection that some picture doesn't have cancer, it will also detect it quickly by using explainable AI heat mapping techniques. And the framework of this clinical deployment model will require A100 GPUs, and also the dataset will be around 300 GB, which I will implement Python and PyTorch in this study. And this is my all model source code, which the data implementation, data processing pipeline, and also training loops, loss function, and also the models I will use, which is transformer and ResNet 3D backbone and hybrid architectures. And also for explainability, I will use GradeCAM++ and integrated gradients attention, and also some errors techniques for evaluation as well, detection metrics and explainable evaluation and resulting plots. So this model achieves a strong classification performance and focus on medically relevant nodules detection, and also 3D data improving accuracy, explainability, increased trust, and transparency. This research demonstrates that 3D explainable AI improve both performance and interpretability in long nodule classification. But the future work improves large dataset and clinical validation. Thanks you.